Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Apple enthusiasts and tech enthusiasts is getting ready because Apple may be on the verge of achieving its ultimate dream of a buttonless iPhone design. According to Economic Daily News, Apple has reportedly placed an order with Advanced Semiconductor Engineering for a new capacitive button system that could ship with the iPhone 16 this year. The new capacitive button system is said to feature a system-in-a-package module and two Taptic engine components, providing users with haptic feedback when pressing the new buttons. This would give users a tactile response, creating a similar sensation to physical buttons while maintaining a sleek and buttonless exterior. Rumors of a buttonless iPhone design first emerged in late 2022 when renowned analyst Mrnewmobile reported that Apple would be adopting a solid-state design for the volume and power buttons. This solid-state design would eliminate the traditional mechanical buttons and replace them with touch-sensitive, haptic-enabled buttons. Apple supplier Cirrus Logic shared in a newsletter to investors that they were working with a strategic customer to bring a new high-performance mixed-signal chip component to market in smartphones in 2023. This announcement fueled speculations around Apple's plans for a buttonless iPhone. Haitong International Securities analyst Jeff Pu and Mrnewmobile also supported these claims, stating that the iPhone 15 Pro would feature solid-state buttons. Additionally, a new low-energy chip would power these buttons, ensuring efficient and reliable functionality. Mrnewmobile even reported that Apple had plans to introduce a new toggle in settings, allowing users to customize the sensitivity of the capacitive buttons for different usage scenarios. This would accommodate users who frequently wear gloves or use a protective case. However, reports later emerged that Apple faced design challenges with the buttonless design, leading to possible cancellations of the feature. Cirrus Logic, the supplier mentioned earlier, confirmed the cancellation but did not provide specific reasons for the decision. Mrnewmobile also shed light on potential reasons for the cancellation, suggesting that the use of a titanium frame on the iPhone 15 Pro posed significant processing difficulties and required significant design changes during development. These difficulties could have led Apple to abandon the buttonless design at the last minute. While these setbacks may have disrupted Apple's plans for the iPhone 15 Pro, the recent order placed with Advanced Semiconductor Engineering suggests that Apple has persisted in their pursuit of a buttonless iPhone design. If successful, this groundbreaking design could revolutionize the smartphone industry and redefine the way we interact with our devices. As always, we eagerly await Apple's next move, and whether this year will indeed mark the arrival of the long-awaited buttonless iPhone. Until then, we can only imagine the possibilities and the seamless experience that awaits us. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.